aberrant or aberration. Actually, the word aberrant is an adjective. On the other hand, the word aberration is a noun, but both have same meaning, like both mean that abnormal, unusual behavior of a person who is not allowed in the society. For instance, a man has some psychological issues due to which the doctor is doing his treatment. So, we can say that, due to an aberrant behavior of a person, he is under psychologist treatment. Also, a businessman has been in order to send for mental hospital because of his aberrant association in the society, in the office, and in the house. Although, his academic record was like a rocket in the sky, but he has disqualified from civil job on account of his aberrant behavior. In short, doing unusual, abnormal behavior of a person is used the word aberrant and aberration. Synonyms of aberration and aberrant: anomaly, exception, defect, abnormality, oddity, rarity, eccentricity. Antonyms of aberration and aberrant: normality, usualness, conformity, regularity, sameness, soundness. Aberration, 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 aberrant, 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 aberrant. Thank you for being with us.